My name is Tanya Sar. I welcome you to the video series of the commonly asked questions on advertising and marketing, where we unveil details about Unisquare Concepts, its CEO, Mr. Uday Santalia, and the services offered. In this video, I would be answering the frequently asked questions relating to digital media services offered by us.
Question 1. What is the cost for making a TV commercial?
The basic TV commercial process includes conceptualization, scripting, video editing, packaging, etc. The cost for this varies extensively based on client specifications and other side costs. TV commercials are a great way to increase brand positioning and awareness for a brand. At Unisquare Concepts, we provide excellent commercial production services. You can get in touch with us for more details.
Question 2. Do you deal in video production?
Yes, we do. Unisquare Concepts has been actively engaged in the production of several theme-based films for self and for clients. Product promotion videos, marketing of services, or highlighting the brand. All can be achieved via elegant and descriptive TVCs, corporate films, and audiovisuals created by Unisquare Concepts. Please feel free to walk through our portfolio available on the work page of our website.
Question 3. Do you make corporate videos?
Yes. Unisquare Concepts is adept at creating TV commercials, corporate films, and offers several other advanced digital media services. We provide all kinds of branding solutions and online marketing strategies to maximize the growth potential of our clients.
Question 4. I want a brand film for my company. Can you help me?
Sure. We look forward to expanding our client base by providing top-notch services. Speaking of films, video development is a vast field in itself. It is a tedious process and includes designing, conceptualization, editing, etc. The prices for video development depends on the amount of time and effort being put in and initiated research. Today, the usage of brand films is rapidly increasing to create brand awareness and provide a better positioning. You can walk through our portfolio to match your requirement by going through the commercial sections of the work page of our website.
Question 5. I need a product video for my business. How much do you charge?
At Unisquare Concepts, we provide end-to-end video production services, product promotion videos, marketing of services, or highlighting the brand. All can be achieved via elegant and descriptive TVCs, corporate films, and audio visuals created by Unisquare Concepts. Product videos are an excellent way to market your product effectively. Product video development is a well-staged process and requires extensive time and effort. The cost for the same is determined only after understanding the requirements of the client. You can take a look at our past production by going through the commercials produced sections of the work page of our website.
Question 6. Do you deal in multimedia presentations?
Yes, we do. The multimedia presentations made by us focus to portray the history of your company and to entail the viewers into knowing you, while getting yourself promoted. Believing in our years of experience in the industry, we carefully prepare multimedia presentations for optimum publicity. Besides this, we provide a wide array of services to ensure that our clients are spoiled for choices. For more insights on the working of an advertising agency, you can go through the commercial section of the work page of our website.
Question 7. Do you deal in theme songs and radio jingles?
Uniscale Concepts has strategized, recorded, and executed several theme songs for various brands. We create radio jingle to set the tone for a better connectivity between the listeners and the brand being advertised by targeting the right audience effectively. You can take a look at our past offerings in this domain at the commercials produced section of the work page of our website.
Question 8. What is the cost for theme songs and radio jingles?
Production of radio jingles include conceptualization, scripting, recording, editing, and packaging. The cost for these factors varies as per the requirements put forward by the client. You can go through our past commercial production offerings and other services at the service page of our website. For more insights on the working of an advertising agency, contact us today.